Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show season recap on the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on this button that you can find down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings button at the top on the right side again, then go to the this right side column, scroll down and tap on privacy and social. Scroll down again until you find this show season recap feature on the left side in the first column. So if you would like to turn it on, click on enable. If you would like to turn it off, click on the disable button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.